Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to claim your Spotify for Artists profile with Distrokid. First, upload your music to Distrokid and make sure your release date is at least 4 weeks away. This gives Spotify enough time to process your music and create your artist page properly. Once your upload has been successfully sent to Spotify, the next step is to find your Spotify artist URI. To do this, open the DistroKid Spotify Looker Upper tool. Inside the tool, select your release from the drop-down menu and click on What's the Spotify URI. Now you will see different URIs for the album, tracks, and artists. The one you need is under the Artist section. Copy the Spotify Artist URI carefully because this is required to claim your artist profile. Next, go to the Spotify for Artists claim page and click on Artist or Manager. After that, log in with your Spotify account. Even a free Spotify account works for this process. Once logged in, click Continue. Now you will see a search bar in the center of the screen. Paste your Spotify artist URI into the box and search for your profile. If your artist page appears, select it and continue with the verification steps. Sometimes Spotify may need extra time to create the profile. If you don't see results immediately, wait a day or two and try again. Once approved, you'll officially have access to your Spotify for Artists profile.